Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay company income tax online. First, ensure you understand your company's specific tax obligations. Next, gather all necessary financial documents, such as income statements and balance sheets. Finally, select an appropriate online payment method that suits your business needs, like direct debit or credit card payment. Before you begin, make sure you have your employer identification number, or EIN, readily available. It's crucial for identifying your business. Then, verify your exact tax liability and confirm the payment due date to avoid penalties. Lastly, double-check that your bank account details are accurate and up-to-date for a smooth transaction. Now, let's walk through the payment process. Access the official government tax payment portal for businesses. Select the correct tax form, such as Form 1120, and specify the payment type. Carefully enter your payment amount, for example, $15,000, and thoroughly review all entered details before proceeding to the final confirmation step. After successfully submitting your payment, immediately save your unique payment confirmation number. This number is vital for any future inquiries. Next, print or download all payment receipts and confirmations for your records. Maintaining organized and accessible records is essential for audits and future tax filings, ensuring compliance and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.